Hello everyone. This video we're gonna make a chicken shawarma, or you can call it shish tawook chicken. Same method of doing shish tawook. So you may say, oh, that's not how we marinate the chicken for the chicken shawarma, but I like it this way. So I saved you this step, which I had to prepare a night before, but it's very easy. You make the marination to put the chicken in it. I used chicken strips, 14 ounces, one pack of chicken strips, because I want to make small quantity. And I made the marination that I put it in it overnight. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box, but what it has yogurt, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, 7 spice, shawarma mix spice, garlic powder, what else did I put? What do you call it? Red pepper paste. I put in it because we like it spicy. So I made this mix and I left the chicken with it overnight. Now I'm gonna grill it over the stove and like small pan grill, and then we're gonna assemble the sandwich together. It's very nice, easy if you like to have it at home instead of going out. And you can make this with the chicken thighs. They say chicken thighs is juicier. I personally don't eat chicken thighs, so most of my chicken recipes gonna be in chicken breast, but you can use anything you want. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm heating here the pan, the grill. It has some marks here, so I'm gonna use a little bit spray oil and place my chicken on it. Okay, I grilled the chicken. It took 4 minutes on each side and it's ready. I prepared the toppings for my sandwich. I'm using lavash bread. So I'm gonna assemble it now. I heated my panini press because I'm gonna press it. The toppings are garlic sauce, which I'm gonna make separate video for it. Some pickled cucumber, slices of tomato, and that's it. Of course, you can add salad, you can add hot sauce, you can add whatever you want to it. Okay, first I'm gonna put the garlic sauce. I like to put generous amount just because I like it. Now the chicken. I use chicken tenders, chicken strips. Of course, you can use, as I said, thighs. You can use whatever you want. And you can put as much as you want in the sandwich. So I'm gonna put this too. Okay. Now we're gonna put some tomatoes. Pickles. much bread. I'm gonna cut it. My shawarma sandwich is done and I'm ready to have my lunch. Let's try together. Very tasty, very nice. I hope you try this recipe and you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.